how to change language on Spotify. In this video I'll show you the process, but please guys watch this video until the end because you don't want to make any mistakes. Now let's dive right into the video. Let me show you how you can do it. Please tab on settings, look on settings on your smartphone, tab on settings, and now scroll down and look for language and input, or language and keyboard, or simply tab on search and right there language, and now tab on the first result, please. From here you need to tab on language, and from here please tab on add language. Now look for the language you want to add, search for that language, search it up here, and that's it. That's how you change language on Spotify on Android. Now let me show you how you can change the language on your computer. How to change language in Spotify on desktop. What you need to do is to tab on your profile right here, and then please tab on settings, and if you're on home, just tab on settings and tab on your profile picture and then settings, and as you can see here you can choose the language that you want. Really easy. Now let me show you how to change Spotify language on iPhone or iPad. Now how to change Spotify language on iPhone or iPad. There are two ways to change the language on Spotify. One way is to so please now tab on the app, on the Spotify app, and from here go to your home page, please, and then you need to tab on this icon. Please tab on this icon, and as you can see here we have account, data saver, and languages. Now please tab on languages, and please tab on app language. That's one way to change the language on Spotify from the settings, inside settings on Spotify, and tab on app language, and then you can change the language to which one you want. There's another way. Please go to settings, scroll down a little bit and tab on language. Tab on language and region. So now please tab on general, and then tab on language and region. From here you can change the language. You can tab here on add language, and here look for a language that you want to add as default. So that's it guys, and this automatically will change the language on your Spotify app as well. If you change this, if you change your phone language to Spanish, then your app will be changed as well. Your Spotify will change the app as well. I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please like this video. See you in the next video.